My name is Panja. I'm from Malawi and I'm a laboratory technologist. I work at Public Health Institute of Malawi as a lab technician. Also, what brings me in South Africa is for the COVID training sequencing, so that I should learn how to sequence COVID samples. I've found this training very interesting. Back home, I work as a technician as a HIV drug resistance. We do sequencing on HIV analysis, but for COVID, the first part is the same, but the analysis part is different. And I want to learn more about bioinformatics. So even if I go home, I want to continue the second part of analysis, the bioinformatics, because I'm very interested and it's exciting. Back home there, what we do is we do the sequencing for COVID, but in small scale. So what my plan is, when I go back home now, I want to focus more on the second part of analysis. Now with this training, I think we'll have equipment which will help us analyze more samples, so that we should help the government make decisions on the COVID sequencing samples, so that we can tackle this COVID thing. We can help to solve the problems of COVID.